before you go outside the boat when we're underway. And then also on the very front, yeah.
Are you driving the boat, Lila?
That's the spot. Yeah, that's the spot.
See, I can do this before I can drive. What's up, Arden?
Did you have a good nap, Tia?
From my nap, yeah. Yeah, that's fun. Lots of things.
Nene's knocked out.
Nice.
Hi, baby.
No, you're good. Okay, so now, nobody's around right now?
No.
Good. This is your throttle. Push this down just to make sure. Good. Now, this is your shifter. So you're going to take this, give me your hand, and we're going to go to neutral. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Did you hear the change in the engine? Okay.
Wait, where am I going? Am I going that way or
We're just practicing right now.
Okay.
So this is called the turning basin. So we're just going to use this as like a little practice area until somebody comes.
Okay.
So, okay. So to go into forward, if I say go into forward, you're gonna grab hold of that. You're gonna feel that, and then I'm gonna just whichever way you want to go here. Just like go straight a little bit. Good. Okay. So then now. I'm just going to hold your hand, but I gave you the force. This time you do it. Go into neutral. Good. Good. And then back into forward. Nice. Feel that? Okay. Good. And then back into neutral. Good. Yep, good. Keep looking around. Nice.
There's just that little boat up ahead.
Little boat up ahead. Good. And then reverse. So now you're going to pull it down. Behind you, what's going on?
Mind your width.
Nothing. Those lines aren't going to get sucked under the boat. Okay, back to neutral. Good. Feel kind of good?
Yeah.
Okay. Take a breath, look around, shake your hands out. Look around. Deep breath. Smile. Back and forward.
You expect her to smile as if she's handling this big old boat right now?
Yeah. Out that way. Nice. That was, I can't believe it was like all.
Yeah.
It's like no one.
Like all of a sudden there was no traffic to play around.
Get our picture.
Whee!
Yeah, you could do a full on. Let's go. Let's get out there. Let's get out there, fish. I'll grab you on a night when you get off. I'll grab you on a night. Oh, good. Okay, so Thursday.
How do you like it, Lila?
Can I get a boat now instead of a car?
She wants a boat instead of a
I
car.
didn't drive a boat before a car.
I know, she's driving a boat before a car.
That's right. It's a water world. You don't need a car.